guys, welcome to my channel. I am Dhruv Sharma. In this video, we are going to cover the data transmission, or we can say the signal transmission. So basically, the data transmission is basically it is a process of transmitting data from one device to another. Like the data should be in analog or in a digital. The data should be digital data, or it is in analog data, or we can say it is an analog data also. Okay, so digital and analog data, but it only transfer in the form of, if they are transmitting in the form of in form of bits. Okay, the data maybe it is digital data, or it is maybe analog data, but it transmitting from one device to one device to another in the form of bits. Okay, now so basically there are two types of data transmission: synchronized and asynchronized. Okay, they are considered in a parallel, in a series transmissions. Okay, so basically synchronized data transmission basically it is a technique in which a sender transmits a continuous stream of data along with periodic timing signal supplied by an external docking system. Okay, so basically there is a device and there is a sender and there is a receiver. Okay, there is a sender, there is a receiver. They are transmitting the data in blocks, but at a time, one time only transmitting data. Like there is multiple, like 0 1 0 1, there is 4 bit of data transmitting, but it transmitted in a one by one. There is only one channel is there was transmitting. Like first of all 0 is going, then 0, then this process is cancelled, then this 1, then this, then one by one it sending the data. Okay, now the data blocks are separated and cluttered at a regular interval. Basically what does it mean? Like they are in they are in block, like 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, if you can say. So they are transmitting one by one. Okay, now but in synchronized data transmission, in this each character is a self-contained unit which is starts and stop bit and unpredictable delays. Basically it is not that much time consuming as compared to the asynchronized. Asynchronized, basically there is a sender, okay, and there is a receiver. Fine. So the transmitting data is like there is 1 2 and 3. Okay, so this is the data 0 1 0 1 fine. Now the sender sends the data to the receiver. Basically I said you that it is also called as start and stop. Start is, we can write in a bit form like 1, and this is for 0 and 1. So basically when a sender starts receiving it send a message like start for transmitting the data. So here it written as 0 to transmitting data one by block by block. Okay, now when the data is completely transferred, then it calls out stop by putting one in that block to, and then one is going to that receiver. The receiver then understand the one is basically means that we have to stop the data transmission. This data is now completed. Okay, so in this so that's all about the data transmission. Synchronized and unsynchronized is most important in the topic, but there is two more we can say. But the synchronized, okay, and the asynchronized is also considered in series. Again, series, basically a series of data is transmitting from one data to one channel to another channel. Okay, one device to another device. So in the next video we are going to cover that's all. In another video we are going to cover the signal transmission in a data and digital data and analog data in detail. How we can convert the digital to analog and analog to digital. Okay.